Hey guys, this video is going to be a short video, on how I mounted the Eggtimer Apogee using a bulkhead and a bulk plate and the easy mount and the easy mount rings. So this whole thing is modified from the Dynastar Aerodactyl. That's a two-stage 29mm mount rocket. It's made for the Estes 29mm two-stage rockets. And if you didn't know, those things are sometimes a little bit inconsistent, and if the first one is unable, or if the booster is unable to set off the sustainer stage, then that means that no parachute can deploy, which that's not too good because it's a pretty big rocket. It's fairly big. You don't want that thing lawn darting down, ideally. So anyways, I have this thing. It can kind of be like a extra point of redundancy for in case the booster fails. At the very least, we still have Apogee deployment. Anyways, so as it comes, the rocket does have a payload bay, which I would recommend. I guess you could do this in a nose cone, but it's a little more difficult. Yeah, I think it'd have to be a nose cone with I don't know, you can look at the instructions they have, but I think ideally you want like some sort of bulk plate that you can access both sides of, even just for the assembly process. So as it comes, this bulk plate, it just kind of fits right inside this coupler with I think like a like 1/8 inch or so hole right in the center. You can kind of see the remnants of it here. That's for this eye-ring, which attaches the shock cord and stuff. So the first step you want to do when you're assembling this is you want to make a new hole somewhere else. Kind of drill it out right here for the eye-ring, because you're going to need the middle a little bit. I guess you could bring it closer if you want, but you wouldn't be able to get it that much closer anyways. So then you want to drill a 1-inch hole, which will fit this thing, and then along with two, I forgot what the exact size of holes were, but they're to fit the two number 2-inch screws, or not number 2-inch, number 2 screws that the easy mount comes with. You want them at the side, and then you just simply epoxy on the ring on the other side, put that facing inside. You drill a little hole at about the I'd say with that 1/2 inch mark, 1/2 inch mark from the end of the bulkhead, payload, whatever thing, coupler, and then with all that done, it's pretty much ready to be assembled. Right, you just ideally, right, it should fit all the way on, and then you poke a hole in here, and the hole, by the way, is to access this screw terminal, which is what turns on and off the Eggtimer. But anyways, mine's a little bit defective. It can only barely fit in, but it still helps to have, so it kind of protects it, and it kind of gets the wires out of the way. So then all you would do, you could stick it in. There you go. Line it up with the screws, and then just screw these in, and then there you have it. It's ready to be mounted. Yeah, I don't know, there's not much else to say here, but that's what I did to mount the Eggtimer Apogee. Thank you for watching. Next video, I think I'll test the Eggtimer, and then either in that video or in another video, we'll actually launch it in this big Aerodactyl, even though you probably won't even see it be used. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching again.